If you want to use PixMaster with Photoshop, first go to the installer folder. Copy the file named pixmaster.js. Right-click on the Photoshop shortcut icon and choose Open File Location. Then open the Presets folder, followed by the Scripts folder, and paste the file there. Now let's send an image to PixMaster. Go to the Filter menu and click on PixMaster. You'll see the image opens in PixMaster. Now let's apply a bit of light recovery and some vibrance. To bring this image back into Photoshop, click the green button labeled Finished Image Processing. You will see the processed image appears in a new layer in Photoshop. You can now view the before and after of the image.